Okay, I'm spin the first spin. Guys. Yes, sir!
I gotta escape. Dip off in a race. You come to the crib and get stopped at the gate. I'm getting this cake. I'm not the same nigga from Michigan.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Pony, aka Jipper.
I'm your girl Barbie.
And I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying, guys? So today, we're gonna open the box. I said gonna give us some banger videos on this channel.
We're anxious.
So guys, I want you guys to watch the ad for 15 seconds, okay? And I want to say thank you very much for the support, you know what I'm saying?
So guys, thanks. We have to open up the mirror with Uno because that Uno make this possible. Yeah. And the support make we reach here. I have to stay with me. I'm anxious. I know how long I open up here. I don't like have present for too long and not open up here.
So guys, we're gonna jump into the mystery box.
No, we're true.
So guys, this pick up the instruction. Tomorrow that day. Tomorrow. Pick up the instruction.
We should go back to the instructions at this time.
So guys, I guess this is the colorful part. So she gonna read the step and
You really step then?
I'm here
You're
gonna
too
screw
busy
up
and pull.
I'm gonna read the step and use screwdriver. Just stop you.
A, B, C, D. Alright. A, get the wheel. Then I look for the magnet center cover.
Look in there, come back. Look in there, this and show them. Funny plastic, look funny too. Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah, magnet center cover.
Guys, we're set up.
So, magnet center cover. The base. Where is the base?
You know what this is base? What is this?
No, this I must be post. Because right at D, it says seed, look for your base. I don't know where base. Wait, let me look.
See base at me for.
C. No, that's D.
Me tell you say it's base. See post here.
Okay.
So this is a TikTok top, guys. This is the base.
A, B. What's the C?
So guys, we're gonna use up the screwdrivers.
Oh, this is the base.
I'm not tell you say base, you just have to find out.
Me, I look for the paper, but now I work right. What?
So where screwdriver gonna be?
Wait, no be. Me I tell you wow. See screw them here, so boy you have to wait. A different instructions me have to read round here. So it's a two-sided instruction. So me I work with the front page first.
Guys, you see,
Alright.
if you don't know me, you're probably rent to know. 2 grand 24 hours.
Huh.
If me
Marker.
know yeah. No, Jupiter.
Chalkboard eraser. Me I read. Leave me alone. Wheel screw. Alright, G. This is the wheel screw here.
You have to write that, sir.
wheel wing nug that I part on the wheel screw. That I
See, give me
this a
C
part
screw
here.
then. C screw then.
You want?
You see, the screw them to see. See, you see down here so. The basement screw
Me
them.
not reach this.
Alright, do that then.
Me don't know why ma rush me. Move the small plastic screw which are ongoing primarily at the first. Then insert the small screw into the hole around. Hey, see them there.
You see how fit in there? When did that screw to this end?
See all the screw them here.
Oh, two screw.
Okay.
Simple thing to answer. Simple question, simple answer.
Yeah. That
So
I base screw you are using now.
You know that me just tell it if I
Okay, and the base, okay. Base washer, L.
Whatever that screw down got.
This I washer.
Me didn't say washer.
Alright. M, small screws in place. N, small nuts. Small nuts. Nuts. O, pointers. Pointers. And then screw covers. There's screw cover in there. This is P. Oh, it blocks something right here, so it's screw covers. Alright. Step what?
Coronavirus! Getting real!
Align the post into the base, into the groove of
So
the
how
base.
this now? How this looks up? So on your side.
And then attach them with 2 base screw and match base wash and base wing nuts.
Shit is getting real. Guys, sick now. Oh, not the Rona.
Corona.
Guys, you see how fun to see this here? Same time to see it again, it's a banger time. I have to come and say, welcome back to another banger video. So you see me? You see? Mystery Spinner, you know, say it's a banger. And remember, no. Your phone here. Hold like this here. Pull the door and take your phone.
You done do that? Remove the small plastic screws and the wood panel inside the small screws into the hole.
Let me help you.
See the screw under this one.
You want to pass a guy, remember say, a banger season, you know. Until the thoroughly can start the banger. If you know me,
Have the plastic off of them?
Wait, plastic come on. Yeah. Don't care after plastic. Remember, I know if you know me and a friend.
Yo, it's done.
What? If we are friends, I can rent you. So, wash if you wash? Nikki? Fatumok? Cause those friends? Anybody? I rent it, I rent.
So, Nasi and Oshia drop
Nas? No. If you not get feature, free. If you not feature me, free. Okay? And if you go and work with me like a thing, so I'm talking now. More left.
Yeah.
What is that?
What
What is this? Go on there, yeah.
You like it? Come on.
Wow. What they can come on?
Yeah.
Get them on.
But I don't know if...
David, come on.
Okay.
Them fi come out. Come out of the house. Guys, we just film a video on YouTube put yellow mark on it.
Why you not go?
How much are they? How much are them?
One more left. See her on there, so. May I come? Ease up. I touched the wheels with the post with wheel screw and match wheel washer and with wheel wing nut. Sorry.
Ooh.
Baby, put on this too soon.
Let me put on it.
Come right this one? Oh. Wait. Okay.
And after we just put all over. Where is this? Yeah, let's spin the first game. Guys. Yes, sir!
We're done?
You want more firm or no? So guys, what do you say I step 4? You know?
I step 4 we don't, yeah.
So guys,
Put the magnet center over on the front of the wheel. That was step 4.
So guys, thank you very much for watching our unboxing of the mystery wheel, okay?
The mystery box.
Wheel.
Box.
So guys, stay tuned.
It was a mystery box, right guys?
Mystery wheel is a box.
No one box to pull pang.
Oh, box one mystery wheel, a box, but I know how to put box.
Okay.
Alright guys, when we reach the end of the video, just like, comment and share. And stay tuned for Ibama them. I'm out.
No more free clout.